ThoughtWorks is hiring candidates for the role of woman graduate engineer hiring. They will be working in application developer role. So in this video, now let we see the participation of this challenge and let me see some of the eligibility criteria to participate in this challenge. First, let me see the what is this challenge. This is a challenge conducted by ThoughtWorks for hiring peoples. Now let me see the eligibility criteria. Females only can participate in this challenge and you need skills of Java, particularly OOPS concepts, SQL, TDD, CI/CD, and you can have years of experience of 0 to 1 years of experience. Then in this challenge you will be having 2 basic programming questions and 10 MCQs. If you get more marks, there is some particular cutoff fixed by the company. I don't know what is the cutoff, but if you clear these 2 basic programming questions, definitely you can crack this challenge. So focus mainly on these programming questions. If you are good in programming, then these MCQ questions will be very easy for you. In order to prepare for this challenge, please go through these skills before attending this challenge. In order to attend this challenge, you should have webcam. Before attending the challenge, go through these links to check webcam issues, whether your mic are working. Check the system eligibility criteria before going for a challenge. Then the position is application developer. They have given compensation is best in industry, but according to internet and I have searched in Google, mostly you will be getting a 4.5 plus LPA, so it's a good company only. Then the job location they are given as Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Coimbatore, Mumbai, Hyderabad. These are the job locations they have given, and they have given some information about the company. You can read out these things. Like they have given, you will spend time on the following things. They have given some of the points what you want to spend a time. Then they have given information about the company ThoughtWorks. Over 25 years ago it was built. Then their mission, culture, all those things were given, and they have given a video here. You can watch the video before attending the challenge. Now let me see the important guidelines here. Ensure that you are attempting the test using the correct mail ID. This is an important point. If you have registered for this challenge with the mail ID called xyz@gmail.com, please use the same mail ID to attend the test, or else you will not be able to attend the challenge. If you can able to attend the challenge, they will eliminate you too. So use the correct mail ID for credentials, and you should click submit button after each question answered. This is the most mistake many members will be doing in the challenge. Some of them will be choosing the right answer and they will be going for the next button. You should not go to the next button. Choose the answer, click the submit button, then go to the next question, or else your answer will not be stored in the database or in server. So remember these 2 points, first point and second point. Then if you are facing any problem during the test, you can click the question mark in the lower right corner of the page to raise the ticket. Then once the test has started, the timer cannot be paused and you have to complete the test in one attempt. Do not close the browser window or tab of the test interface before you submit your final answers. It is recommended that you ensure that your system meets HackerEarth's compatibility requirement. Before going for challenge, click this link and check the system compatibility. Then it is recommended that you attempt the test in an incognito mode or private mode, so that any extensions installed do not interfere with the test environment. go to private mode or turn on the incognito mode and take the test, or else just switch off the notifications in your system. We recommend that you close all other windows and tabs to ensure that there are no distractions. And here you can use these sample challenge. Go to this link, sample challenge, and take the programming questions and MCQs so that you can be familiar with the questions and concepts they will be asking in the challenge. And they have given some of the important questions with answers here. If you have any queries, or you can see here, they have given nearly how many? They have given nearly 22 questions. If you have any queries, you can see these questions below before raising any ticket or before mailing to them. Now let me see how you can register. Then here they have given the timeline. Opens at September 10, 12:30 p.m. and closes at September 19, 6:25 p.m. Then click this register button and you can register for this challenge. Then again, here you can see the leaderboard. When you are participating in this challenge, you can see the leaderboard and you can verify whether you are in top 50 ranks or top 100 ranks. It will be more useful whether you are selected for the next round or not. So attend the challenge with more confidence so that you will be able to crack these rounds. All the best for your challenge. Then I will be giving the apply link in the description box. Use the apply link to apply for this challenge. All the best to everyone for this challenge.